Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to transfer your crypto from Webull Pay to Robinhood. So guys, follow me in this video, and this video will be step-by-step guide, and let's get started. First guys, open Robinhood wallet and click this icon as you can see here. And after that guys, what you have to do, just click receive option from here on Robinhood on the app. And after that guys, what you have to do, select your address wallet, and until you select your address wallet, want to transfer, want you receive, what you have to do guys, and then go to Webull Pay and click this option show more, and after that click withdraw money as you can see here, and choose your any crypto coin you want to withdraw to or you want to transfer to Robinhood, for example BTC. After that guys, enter your amount you want to withdraw, and after that click you can scan QR code option to copy your address. After that, enter your address that come from Robinhood wallet, and this you can get the address from here, and just copy address and you will transfer amount successfully without any problems. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Any question down below and comment guys, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.